Probably the single most useful piece of advice you will ever hear when building a mountain bike or assembling is grease. Grease the crap out of everything. Grease my bearings. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm finally ready to install my fork. I have everything greased and I lowered the bike on the stand, that way in case the fork slides back down, at least it doesn't fall very far, because it's not easy recording and installing at the same time. I just gotta get an angle figured out. To install the mountain bike fork on the frame, please make sure your bearing is on there correctly. I had it on backwards previously, but this is the correct orientation. Now, when installing your stem, you want to make sure that you have a small space from the top of the stem to the top of the steer tube, like that. That way, when you put your top bolt, you can actually compress it down and it'll help bring the steer tube up a little bit. Now, before torquing the stem bolts on the steer tube, we'll tighten the top bolt down as much as possible without having any resistance when you turn the fork. And I think that's about right. I am ready to install my handlebar now. I have a 1-up components carbon handlebar, 800 millimeter. Okay, first I'm going to remove the faceplate. And take note of your torque specs. They're inside. It depends on the stem you have, but mine are inside the stem, because once I have the handlebar on there, I won't be able to see it. And it looks like it says 5 Newton meters. Now with carbon fiber parts, you always want to use carbon fiber grease, specifically for carbon fiber. And then also on the inside of the stem. There's no need to apply any thread lacquer. There's already some pre-applied on these from the factory. We want to make sure our alignment is proper. Alright, and it's torqued down. And that completes the installation of my fork and handlebar. You want to make sure that you follow the instructions specifically for the type of stem that you have. And also if you're running a carbon fiber handlebar, most torque specs are going to be no more than 6 Newton meters, so you also want to abide by that. If you like how the progression of this dream build is going, please comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.